To start with, we have to install couple of softwares. One is Java JDK, another one is Eclipse. Java JDK is a software development kit which is necessary to compile our Java code and convert it into working software. And another Eclipse is an editor which helps us to integrate all our code and write, compile and debug. Link for the JDK is given in the description. Just copy it and run your browser and paste it there. You can find this website. It is an official website of Oracle. Down below you have Java SE Development Kit 8. It is Java 8. It's better to use Java 8 at the beginning, or Java 7 you can use. If you are using Windows, select Windows 64-bit. If you are using Windows 32-bit, then you need to download this. And for Windows 64-bit, download this file and install. Once you have installed JDK, then go to Eclipse. Link will be given in the description. Just copy that in the browser and search. This is an official website for Eclipse. In this link you can see Get Eclipse ID 2019-9, download for 64-bit. Install these two softwares. Once you are installed JDK and Eclipse successfully, we have to set up the JDK to our environmental path. One more point, the time when I was making this video, the versions of JDK and Eclipse may differ from the one that you are using now. As you know, the software and SDK editors keep getting updated every time. So don't worry, whichever versions you have, just install. Make sure it will be easy to use JDK 8 or 7 and Eclipse. Now let's set the environmental path. For that, you need to go to the My Computer. In that, in C drive, go to where you have installed Java. When I have installed 64-bit, so the Java installation path will be inside C drive, program files. In that Java, I have installed 3 versions of JDK. For you it may be only one version. If you have installed the link that I have given to you, then you will have Java 1.80 121. Just open this JDK. This is JDK. Open the bin folder, copy this path, this is the path, put a semicolon. Now copy this. Let me explain you once again. Go to C drive, program files. Inside that you will have Java folder. Inside Java folder you will find JDK 1.8.0 or something. Open that folder. Inside that you will have a bin folder. Open that. Copy the path. Paste it somewhere in the text notepad, or then put a semicolon at the end. No space between that. Just copy this. Now go to My Computer. In My Computer, right click on that, left side, click on Properties. Once you click on, you will find System Configuration. Inside this, let me zoom it out. Inside that you have advanced system settings. Click on that. In that, in advanced system settings, in the bottom you have environment variables. Click on this. You will get environmental variables. In this, create. In bottom you have new, edit and delete option. Click on new. Give name as Java, all caps. Underscore home. Paste. Click on OK. I have already added, so I'm not clicking OK. You need to click it on. Okay. Once you are done that, scrolling down, you will get a path, variable name as path. Select that. Click on edit. If you are using Windows 10, then this type of widget you will get. Otherwise, if you are using 8, 7, then you will get a smaller window where you will have your variable name as path, and below that you will have all the values. Okay. Now come to Notepad. Java underscore home. This variable you have created, right? For this, append percentage in the beginning and percentage at end. Just copy this. For Windows 10 guys, just create new and paste it over here at the end, or you can move it up. That's fine. For non Windows 10 users, in the values in the beginning, just paste and click OK and OK. That's once you are done with this, just open command prompt. In command prompt, type Java, small letter, hyphen v, hyphen version. Okay, in my build path, I have set with point. Once you have installed JDK and Eclipse successfully and set the JDK or Java path to the environment variable, now let's run Eclipse. Once you launch at the first time, you will see this welcome window. Here it has some tutorials, samples, all that. If you want, you can go through them. Just now we will click on file, which is on the left side. Click on files, new, Java project. Click on that. Now let's create one Java project, sample Java project. Give the name, project name as, now I am giving project 1 as my project name. Whatever is convenient for you, you can give that. And remaining settings, let it be. Once you are given name, this will be your project path. Just click on finish. This may take some time at the first. Just close this welcome window. In the left hand side, in the corner, click on that. Now you can see in left side, this is package explorer. Under that you have project name, that is project 01 that I have given. Under that you have src. Now let's create one class. Select src, click on that, right click, new, in that class. Now let's give the class name as demo. You can see the use of default package is discouraged, this message. This we will see later. Let's create this demo. In that we have modifiers as public selected, let it be, don't make any changes. Which method steps would you like to create? Just select public static void main strings array args, select that, click on finish. Okay, now the demo.java class is created. Inside that, public static void main string arrays method is been created. Just remove this comment. Inside that, type system.out.println. Save this. I removed comment and wrote system s is caps system dot out dot print ln bracket. Inside that I have written hello world. Okay, what all these system dot println public static void main, I will explain you one by one. Just save that, right click, inside that you have run as. Java application, click on that. Okay, now in the console you can see hello world. If you are getting this output, then your setup is completely ready. If you have any doubt or if you are getting any error, you can Google it out or you can put in the comment. I will try to explain.